Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a messy house clean with me, as my house is totally trashed, as you can see. We went on a day hike, and so when we got home we literally threw everything on the floor and we just had a ton of fun. So this is actually the following day, as I did not tackle it until the next day. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and throw a load of laundry in. I'd love to have you throw a load of laundry in and just tackle that off your list today. Let's get to the cleaning.
Do you ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not.
Alright, now that we have our first load of laundry in, it is time to go ahead and start cleaning up the rest of the house. First thing we're going to do is we are going to start off in the main living area, because as you can see, it was just a mess. So I hate having clutter around our front entryway, as we do have a small house, and so it's really hard to live in a very disorganized place. And so I'm just going ahead and tidying up and putting everything away in their home so that we can feel a little less stressed.
Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how.
And so I just want to come on here really quickly and introduce myself. For those of you that are new here, my name is Brianne, and I love to create lots of cleaning and homemaking motivation type of content. So if that is your thing, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button to join my growing YouTube family. And if you follow me over on Instagram, you will know that I ended up spraining my back, and it was actually while I was filming this video. So I caught it all on camera. Make sure that you watch this video to the end so you can see the moment where it all happened.
Want your kisses in the morning light. Wanna be next to you every night. No, I shouldn't love you, but I might. 'Cause your lips, they taste like cherry wine. You're no good for me. We're so bittersweet, but I still want you. I do. Baby, can't you see?
As you can see, we do have to take quite a bit of stuff when we go on our day hikes, as we don't want the children getting cranky, nor do we want a cranky wife. So my husband definitely makes it very, very comforting for us, and just make sure that we are not cold and that we have absolutely everything that we need. And so I'm just going ahead and emptying out our backpacks so that we can get these put away, as we won't be going on another hike for a while. Let me know in the comments if you and your family go on any day hikes or anything.
You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream. But I can't deny you. I can't deny you. I can't deny you. Na 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 na.
Now that we have the front entryway cleaned up, it is now time to tackle the living room area. Stay tuned and make sure you listen real close here, as this is where the magic happened. You guys, did you hear that? That is literally my back cracking. And I knew it was bad when it happened, but you know us as mothers, we just kind of keep on trucking along. So for the rest of this video, I apparently sprained my back, and I didn't know until I went to the chiropractor the following day, as it was really painful for me. So you will notice I might be like bending funny in the video, and I might just be like kind of moving awkwardly, and that is why. It is because I ended up spraining my back. Let me know in the comments, did you know this was a thing? Because to be honest, I didn't know you could sprain your back. I knew you could obviously break your back, but I never thought that spraining your back was a thing until I again went to the chiropractor. So
With me until tomorrow. no one to kill my sorrows. Kill my sorrows. Maybe one night you can play the hero. Even if I know it's only for show. You're no good for me.
Moving on to the kitchen, the first thing we're doing is unloading the dishwasher, as I just can't stand having dishes in my sink. So I just like to get the dishes cleared, and I honestly feel that when my kitchen is clean, the rest of my house feels clean. Let me know if you are like that at all, or if you have a different room in your house that no matter if it's clean, like you just feel so good about it. Again, for me, it's my kitchen. So we're just gonna go ahead and get this stuff done.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like. Told. But I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. So call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old.
All right, now that the dishwasher is empty, it is time to go ahead and fill it up and do the dishes at the sink here. I'm not gonna lie, I was in a lot of pain here. As you can see, I'm just bending over super funny. I should have stopped cleaning, but this is how much I love you guys. So here we are standing at the sink, going ahead and doing the dishes. If you're wondering now, don't worry. I'm like a few days post sprain and I'm doing a lot better. I ended up going to the chiropractor. He fixed me right up. And then the following evening, he told me obviously not to pick up anything. And you know, that's really hard as a mom. So I ended up picking my toddler up, right, who you can see here. She is 19 months old, and I ended up picking her up and trying to put her in the tub, and ended up spraining it again. So back to the chiropractor I went the following day. I'm doing better now. I'm still not 100%. I'm probably gonna have to go back to the chiropractor at least one more time, if not twice, but I am able to actually move around now. So it's been an interesting past couple of days, and I'm sorry that I didn't get as much done in this video as I would have liked to, but I hope that it can still give you some motivation.
From my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my.
So I wanted to quickly show you guys as well what I ended up making the girls for lunch. This is the easiest thing ever. It is just 2 tortilla wraps, some leftover chicken and cheese, and you have the best toddler approved chicken quesadillas. Of course, you could add on, you know, peppers and stuff like that if you wanted to, but I didn't, as the girls really like raw peppers. They don't like them cooked, but that's one of my favorite things to add in, as well as onions or chives. Moving on, we are going to make my bed. Let me know if your toddlers do this as well. It seems like whenever I go to make my bed, they just want to jump all over it. So yeah, I let them play for a little bit before going ahead and making my bed. But this is your cue to go ahead, if you have not already, and make your bed with me.
In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by
Alright everybody, that is it for today's video. I do apologize about cutting it short, but my back hurts really bad. So I'm going to take a load off, and if I'm feeling better tomorrow, I will go ahead and finish tackling it. But if not, that is going to be the end of the video here. I gotta probably get into the chiropractor. I really don't think it's going to go away on its own. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.